Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve IEO Set B of Class 1 year 2017. Question number 1. We have to choose the correct word which describes the picture. Okay. So the correct word for this thing is table. In the same way here it is shown like bed. So the correct word is bed that describes the picture. Now let's see the second question. It is wrist, ankle or arm. So what is it? So it is ankle. The picture shown here is of what? It is of a radio. This board is of what? So this is a board of sign. Let's see the next section, which is from question number 5 to 9. We have to answer the following question. What can you open? So here we have a chair. Can you open a chair? No. Can you open a table? No. The door is the correct option here. Which is a place you can go? So it is city, income or history. So you can't go with income and history. You can go only in a city. What do you use to put out a fire? So you cook, you smoke? No. You put a water on it. Where can you go to study? In market, in bank? No. In college. What do you learn at a school? So do you learn to fight? No. Do you learn to anger? No. It is language. Like the English right now we are going on with is also a part of language. Let's see from question number 10 to 15. Here it is shown in the examples. My mother is dash English teacher. So an English teacher. Now let's drag the page above. There is dash cat. So there is what? That sorry friends, that is. So the correct pronoun here is that is her cat. Please add dash sat to soap. So please add what? Please add a little salt to soup. Okay, please add a little salt to soup. He dash going he dash going on a holiday. So he likes going on a holiday. The boy is sitting dash the tree. So if you see, this is the position of boy right now, and he is under the tree. Okay, so the correct word here is under. He wants dash glass of water. So a glass of water is correct word here. All my friends will go to Delhi. So the word here is will. So will indicates a future tense. So the word we will go with is tomorrow. Let's see question number 16 and 17. It is like we have to choose the correct word. Like here it is action and here it is distance, and in the second section it is intelligent. So what is the correct word for it? It is option A, reading. So here we have Karen and there are two friends of her. So let's see what is the picture telling us. Karen is dash the book. So is reading the book as shown in the picture. The children are sitting dash the tree. So if you see the picture correctly, here it is. So they are sitting under or near. You can say they are sitting near the tree. There is dash fire. So there is a fire. They dash looking happy. So they, so correct word for here is are for the subject they. So they are looking happy. Now let's see the next segment, which is from 21st question. So we have to read the passage for that. A patient little girl. The patient little girl. Once a famine broke out in a city. Every day the children of the city flocked to a rich man's house to get loaves of bread. As soon as the servant brought out loaves, they fought among themselves and struggled hard to get them. One little girl didn't fight. She waited patiently for her return and got the smallest loaf last of all. One day, as usual, she got the smallest loaf. When she cut it, she found 2 rupees in it. She went back at once to return the money. The rich man was pleased at her honesty. He gave her not only these two but 2 more rupees as a reward. Okay, so let's see. The passage is about a or an patient girl. Yes, it is. The children went to the rich man's house every day because for what? Tell me. For they receive a loaf of bread to eat during the famine in the city. Okay. When the servant brought out loaves, all the children, what do they do? When the servants brought out the loaf, tell me. So they fought and struggled hard for the bread of loaf. 24th question. How did the girl behave? The little girl patiently waited for her turn. How was the little girl rewarded for her honesty? The little girl received dash 2 rupees for the loaf and 2 more for as a reward. Okay, let's see the spoken and written expression now from 26th to 30th question. Here we have Mohan, can I play with you? Yes, let's play. Okay, so let's see 26th question. Teacher dash you have any question? Mala, yes ma'am. So do you have a question? Okay, because do is the appropriate word here. Rohan dash does that car cost? So it is how much. Okay, so 27th number questions correct answer is how much. Okay, now let's see the 28th question. Rama, do you like your tea hot dash cold? Bharat, I like it hot. So it is an optional choice. So the correct option here is or, hot or cold. Mahi, tonight's dinner was very dash mom, mothers. Thanks son. So what is it? If you see here, then the word is very, which is used for comparison or betterment, and the two words are the substitute, like it is the comparative form of good and it is the superlative form of good. So the only word we can go with is good, very good. Okay, now mother, you dash, mother you drive me to the market please. So the children is asking here, so can. Okay, now let's see the achievers section. It is the most scoring section in any of the category like NSO, IMO, IGKO or IEO. There isn't dash milk at home. So what is the correct option here? Any. A group of crows is called. So what they called? So they called murder. Choose the correct option. What can you put in a box? So in a box, what we can put is a stuff. Choose the meaningful word. It is sufficient. So for sufficient, the correct word is SUFFICIENT. Father, where are my car keys? Jatin, they are dash the book on the side table. So what will be the correct word here? Next to the books. So we have solved it successfully, guys. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And if you are willing to join our paid courses, then please mention in the comment section. Thank you.